The matrix M is a unitary matrix when alpha is. So we have to find suggestions for alpha is given in all four options. We have to find correct one option. Unitary matrix means M star equals to identity. Sometimes in place of identity you can use M bar and then transpose. Means conjugate transpose. Star represent conjugate transpose. So we have to find M conjugate and then transpose. Product of these two matrices. M is given. M is cos alpha iota sin alpha iota cos alpha. This is matrix M. Now take conjugate and transpose. We will obtain cos alpha sin alpha minus iota sin alpha minus iota cos alpha. This is conjugate matrix and take transpose. So finally we will obtain a matrix like this: cos square alpha plus sin square alpha minus 2 iota sin alpha cos alpha, 2 sin alpha cos alpha, or cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. And this matrix is equivalent to identity matrix. So from this I can write 1 iota sin 2 alpha minus iota sin 2 alpha, and this is 1. This matrix equals to 1 0 0 1. Now compare these two. So this one equals to 0. This entry equals to 0. Means iota minus iota sin 2 alpha equals to 0. Iota cannot be 0. It means sin 2 alpha equals to 0. We have or evaluated sin 2 alpha equals to 0. Expand this one. 2 sin alpha cos alpha equals to 0. This implies that either sin alpha equals to 0 or cos alpha equals to 0. Now sin alpha 0, it means alpha is multiple of pi. Means you can write this. In the case of cos alpha 0, alpha is odd multiple of pi by 2. So we have these values for alpha. Because option A, B, C and D you can check, there is no option of multiple of pi. But pi by 2 is given, and option A is saying odd multiple of pi by 2. Means cos alpha is 0 in this case. So right key is option A.